My name is Kuldeep Kunkan and I came from India 35 years ago, and today I'm going to show you how to make veggie samosas. Before I start, I show you all the ingredients. This is the dough for samosas, and also these are ingredients: onion, boiled potatoes, cilantro, green onion, and peas and green onion. And I have all the spices too here. All these spices. This is cumin. This is chaat masala. This is salt for Himalayas. First, I'm going to cook some onions.
So you've added the peas, and so you're going to...
First onion, then
Yeah.
peas.
And
Now
those-
I'm going to put some potatoes. It's boiled already. So I'm going to put a salt. It should be soft.
Okay. And what spice is this one now?
This is salt. This is cumin.
Cumin. Okay.
So this is chaat masala.
And
This
bit
is
of
a green onion.
Got it.
And I'm going to turn it off now. Very end, I'm going to put cilantro. On the very end, I'm going to put cilantro.
And this is fresh from your garden? is it?
Fresh. Yeah. Should be cooled down few minutes. It's easy to put it in.
Smells wonderful.
So I'm going to make a patch, going to close that one, making a flour and some water, making a paste. This is the flour. I put some little bit oil
Okay.
and salt and dough with water.
Okay.
Dough very hard and leave it for half an hour.
Okay.
Then easy to roll.
Yes, because I notice it's not sticking to the
Yeah.
counter at all, whereas
Because it's a little bit oil inside.
that's what the
Yeah.
secret is. Okay.
If I put too much oil, it's falling apart.
It would.
If too much water, it's stuck. It's
Yes.
easy.
Yes.
So it's when we do, we just put oil and mix it. When we put in our hand, if
Okay.
hand is dough like that, don't open, it's perfect.
Okay. Now, do you do this for a living? Do you share your recipes?
I do at home too. All our wedding function, I do at
Okay.
home.
And I notice again you've cut the
I cut
pastry
in half. Yeah,
Okay.
cut in half. This is the patch,
Right on the
flour
end. Yeah.
and water,
Yes.
and this is the stuffing. I do like that. Here you are,
Make it cone shape.
cone shape, and push very hard. Don't open.
Right.
Make a cone. Do like that here. Now I'm going to put some stuffing inside. I'm not going to put all over. It's really hard to close. Now a little bit patch here. So everything pushed down.
Okay.
Here you are. Making more fancy.
Yes, I like that. That's very neat.
Here you are.
Now, this is all ready to be cooked. Now, do you do this in
So
the oven?
just deep fry.
Deep
We
fry
can do
it.
oven too.
Okay.
We can deep fry too.
And which do you get the best results from, or is it pretty similar?
Best result is deep fry.
Okay.
Deep fry.
And how long does it take once you put it in
When
the
it
deep fryer?
goes up, it's golden brown.
Okay.
Yeah, I made just this one. I made yesterday.
Oh, they look wonderful. The same kind of filling?
Same thing.
Okay.
Same thing.
And are there different fillings that you can? that
We
you-
can do chicken. We can do anything we want.
Okay.
Yeah, it's only veggie.
Okay.
These were only veggie. We can put paneer. We can put tofu. We can put all the vegetable
Right.
and chicken too.
Khalib, I understand that you are going to also show us today a second recipe
Yes.
that you're very anxious to share with our culture.
Yeah.
So, would you like to explain what this is? Because it looks very interesting.
Okay. This is called pani puri.
Okay.
Pani puri. This is stuffing. This is all the sauce. When we going to make this dough, it's a day before. It's a two kind dough, whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour together.
Okay.
Dough with water and leave it 1 hour. Leave it 1 hour and wet in a wet cloth.
Do you put that in the fridge or does it stay
No,
on the
outside.
counter?
Outside.
Okay.
After 1 hour, we can take out and roll again and again, almost take out all the airs and roll, and then dough is very soft.
Okay.
Then when we roll these one, we do like that one time and one time. This is big, but should be small. When we roll these one, we do again in the wet flour cloth
Okay.
and put like that and leave it half an hour. Then after half an hour, we put some oil in the pan. When it's very hot, then when we're going to fry, make sure we can put this side down.
Okay.
This side
The
down.
bottom side.
And put the oil on the top. If it should be popped. That's the secret.
So that's how. So it comes out hollow.
Yeah.
I'm really anxious to see.
Yeah, that's why it's pop.
Okay.
Otherwise,
It puffs.
it pops.
It puffs.
If
Okay.
we do like that,
Yes.
no. What side I put it down? Same side I'm going to do in the oil.
Okay.
Then
Got it.
put the oil on the top and top,
Yes.
it's pop automatically.
Wow.
Nothing yeast, nothing baking soda, just flour and water.
That is really
Yeah,
fascinating.
I made yesterday this one.
Yes.
And when we ready, it's make day before.
Yeah.
Should be crunchy. Okay. For her filling, it's filling. We make two kind of the chickpea,
Yes.
potatoes, cilantro, and green onion. Water, I make a two kind. This is fresh cilantro on my garden and fresh mint on my garden. I wash it and blend it very soft and put a little bit of ginger.
Okay.
Then we can put in the water here. All these spices, cumin,
Uh-huh.
chaat masala, and salt. And also, I put this one on the store. We buy a pani puri. This one. So mix it. This one, And when we get ready to eat it, same thing this one. This
Now-
one have no cilantro.
Is that served cold or is it served
It's a
hot?
cold.
Serve it
It's
cold.
cold.
Okay.
And put some water too.
Okay.
When we're going to serve that, this is for chickpea flowers, made from chickpea flowers.
Okay.
And I'm going to put half in here and half in here. When we're going to serve that one, it's very crunchy. So these sauce, this water, I put all the salt, cumin, these one, the cumin, salt, and chaat masala, and little bit turmeric. So this is good for 20 people.
Okay. That's
So
a
if
lot.
20 people, 1 tablespoon cumin,
Yes.
1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon chaat masala, and 4 tablespoon on pani puri,
Okay.
and 3 tablespoon on turmeric. We soak the day before, take out all the shells and put in here.
Put it in there.
So maybe a 2 liter water. This one, this one it should be 1 liter water.
Okay.
So these one we made at home. We can put a water on chickpea flour, and we have a special kind strainer and make these one round on the deep fry.
Okay.
So when we're going to serve that one, first I'm going to put some stuffing inside. Big hole. And that's our street food. We go like that all over. And one more here too. Daddy, can you
And
break
just
it?
push the crunchy from the hole
Yeah,
right
What's
inside.
the hole?
It's all edible.
Yeah. We go to the street and eat 20, 50.
And that's
Thick.
served cold like this.
It's cold. Yeah, that's
Okay.
that's the one.
Well, the vegetarians of the world must love you and your recipes
Yeah,
because
I'm vegetarian too, whole life.
so you understand.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Khalid. We really appreciate you coming and
Thank you.
sharing your recipes and
Thank
hope
you.
that we can pass them on to other cultures and other family members.
Thank you.
We appreciate you being here today and thank you so much.